In this video, I'll be solving a previous year problem of AMC. So in a triangle ABC, angle C is 90 degrees and AB is 12. Squares ABXY and ACWZ are constructed outside the triangle. So the points X, Y, Z and W lie on a circle. We need to find the perimeter of the triangle. So if we consider the triangle, something like this. So the triangle is ABC. So right angled at 90 degrees. Now the squares ABXY. So ABXY would be something like this. And ACZW would be something like this. So now like we were given this, the points X, Y, Z, W lie on a circle. So that means if I draw a circle, so basically they are all on a circle. So we can say, so ABXY, sorry, like this should be X here and Y here. So this is X and this is Y. So we are having this XYZW, XYWZ are concyclic. So that means XYWZ is a cyclic quadrilateral. Now in a circle, so if we take a chord, on one side if it is making an angle theta, the other side of the circle it will make an angle of 180 minus theta. So that's why in a cyclic quadrilateral sum of opposite angles would be 180 degrees. So that means here as well angle YZW. So if I join these two and if I join these two, X and Z, sorry, like CWZ, ACWZ is given in the question. So basically ACWZ. So XYZW are concyclic. So XYZW is a cyclic quadrilateral. So angle YZW if I find, so angle YZW plus angle WXY is 180 degrees, opposite angles. And in the similar way angle ZYX plus angle ZWX, so that is also 180 degrees. So if we consider like, so basically angle YZW is this and then WXY, so WXY is this angle. So these two will be 180 degrees and ZYX plus the other opposite angles, ZYX plus ZWX is 180 degrees. Now YZW if we consider, that is nothing but 90 degrees plus YZA. So this is 90 degrees already. So YZA if I consider it as theta. So therefore this is nothing but, so angle YZW, so if I consider this first equation, so angle YZW is nothing but 90 degrees plus theta plus WXY. So WXY is nothing but the same, like 90 degrees minus, or like if I consider, so first YZW plus angle WXY is 180 degrees. So YZW is nothing but 90 degrees plus angle ZYA is equal plus this WXY is 90 degrees minus angle XWB. So that is 180 degrees. So that means I can say angle ZYA is angle XWB in the same way. Sorry, like I did it for the second one. So in the same way if I do it for the first one. So for the first one angle YZA plus 90 degrees plus 90 degrees minus angle WXB is 180 degrees. So that means angle YZA is equals to angle WXB. So what does that mean? That means YZA if I consider it as theta, WXB will also be theta. So that means this will also be theta. And suppose if I consider this as some alpha. So ZYA if I consider it as some alpha. So this is also getting alpha. So that means two angles in a triangle are equal. So by AA similarity, I can say these two triangles. So one triangle is like this. So basically theta and alpha. So one triangle is having opposite to alpha, we have 12, because this is nothing but, so we were given AB as 12. So these all will be 12. And we are having, let's say this is A and this is B. Opposite to vertex A, I am taking it as A, and opposite to vertex B, I am taking it as B. So this is B and this is B. So basically, if I consider the triangle, so one triangle is having 12 and B. Opposite to theta we have 12, and opposite to alpha we have, opposite to theta we have 12. So basically theta and alpha. In the same way, theta, opposite to theta we have A plus B, and opposite to alpha we have 12. So basically 12 by B is nothing but A plus B by 12. That means 144 is A square plus AB. So, and we also have the hypotenuse length as 12. So that means we also have A square plus B square as 144, and A square plus AB is 144. That means B square is nothing but AB. That means A is nothing but B. So that means like the right angle triangle is just the hypotenuse, and A is nothing but B. So A is nothing but 12 by root 2. So perimeter would be 12 by root 2 into 2 plus 12, which is nothing but 12 plus 12 root 2. So therefore the answer for this question would be, correct option would be option C. So that's it for this video. We'll meet in the next video.